What's up, traders? Eugene here from Genius Traders. Thank you so much for joining me for yet another weekly Forex focused for the week ending 16 December 2022. Guys, I've got for you Euro GBP, gold, Hang Seng, AUD USD, pound AUD, as well as US oil. So, other pairs and stocks will be sent to the premium channel. You can check those out there. So yeah, thank you for joining me for this video, and please like, subscribe, so that you can get notified every time I upload a weekly Forex focused. So we're gonna start with the pound. The euro pound on the daily time frame. So guys, as you can see here, we've got a fish. All right, this strategy has been used forever. Basically, what happens here, especially with the euro pound, is that the market will just go, up and up, up and down, up and down, up and down until it gets to the breakout. Breakout being the head of the fish over here, or others would say the tail of the fish over there. So basically, we might get something like this, you know. Then the market would break out of here, find this as support, or we might get something like this. Then the market would break below here and find something like this as resistance. All right. So, guys, be sure to catch all of these moves around here, because obviously in December, we don't get beautiful moves or long-term moves as we do during the year. Mainly because there's low liquidity. But other than that, just make sure that you scalp throughout. But also these scalps are very good because this is a daily time frame. So this is like what, from 85.5 to 87. That's like 150 pips or so, right? So you can make quite a nice bit of money right there. With the gold, like I said, guys, during the week I said that gold will reach 1850 next week, right? When the Fed, when we get the Fed news, but we might not get that. We Because of this, we got a strong resistance here, at 1808, as well as this up sort of trend line here. You're rejecting the price all the time, and usually we get three times rejection everywhere. So this is the first, the second. We might get the price to move down. Let me just get path to show you what exactly. No, man. Let's start again. Okay, cool. So we might get something like this: price move down, right? Come up, break out of the 1820. The 1808, then retest it as a new, support. Then that's when we might reach the 1850 zone, right? And I believe the price might just go higher until we reach this resistance over here at 1920 or so. So the price might just increase like that, right? So you might want to look out for something like this in the coming days and weeks, right? The price obviously will be supported by this trend line over here, right? There's gonna be a trend line here like this. So watch out for something like that. A trend line that's going to be supporting the price, and a breakout retest support. And next we've got HK50, Hang Seng, right? Hang Seng also, we've got like an area of demand over here and resistance at 20,000. It's actually at 19,800, first one. And the second one could be found around 20,800. Then next we've got Australian dollar as well as USD. So, guys, also with this one, this is the daily time frame. Remember that. So all of these moves over here, they are maybe 100 pips minimum, 100 pips up. So just make sure that every time we get a bounce of this trend line, we're buying all the way to the upside, because now this is like some sort of an uptrend that's sort of forming. But the overall, trend is still bearish. Let's just go to the monthly and see. As you can see, it's still bearish. We might see the pair, crash um, after the Fed meeting, or even continue going higher. But I think it will just go higher, and maybe next year Feb, that's when we will see the crash, or when the stock market crash. That's when also the Australian dollar, Euro USD, Pound USD, it's also gonna start crashing as well. We've got the Pound AUD as well over here, right? We've got a very nice resistance zone at 1.80700, as well as 1.81300 zone. So around here, the area of interest, we might see the price get rejected and all go all the way down to 178 zone, right? And last but not least, we've got US oil. US oil as well. We had a support here at 71.80 and 72. However, the price on Friday just broke below that, and we got a nice little retest over here. And when the market opens, we could see oil start, going down. As long as it doesn't break above 72 and break above this trend line over here, we might see the oil go all the way down to 70 or even 60, US dollar. So, guys, that's all for this week. Thank you so much for staying with me till the end. And please like, subscribe, share this video everywhere. See you on the next one.